Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be focusing on the object, which is another essential part of English grammar. So what is object? Object. In English grammar, an object is a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that receives the action of the verb in a sentence. In other words, it's the thing that is being acted upon or affected by the verb. An object answers the question what or whom after the verb. There are several types of objects. Let's take a look at them. Types of objects. Direct object. Indirect object. Object of preposition. Object of possessive adjective. Direct object. A direct object is a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that receives the action of the verb directly. It answers the question what or whom after the verb. For example, in the sentence, I ate an apple. The direct object is apple because it receives the action of the verb ate. Direct objects usually follow the verb and do not require any prepositions to connect them to the verb. Indirect object. It is a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that indicates to or for whom or what the action of the verb is done. It usually comes between the verb and the direct object. For example, in the sentence she gave her friend a book. Her friend is the indirect object. It indicates to whom the action of gave was done, while a book is the direct object because it receives the action. Indirect objects are less common in English than direct objects, and they usually require prepositions such as to or for to connect them to the verb. Object of preposition. The object of a preposition is the noun or pronoun that follows the preposition. For example, in the sentence, the cat is on the table. Table is the object of the preposition on. Object of a preposition is important to recognize because it helps you understand the relationship between two different elements of the sentence. Object of a possessive adjective. A possessive adjective is a word that shows ownership or possession of something. For example, in the sentence, I love my car. My is the possessive adjective that indicates ownership of the car. The object of a possessive adjective is the noun or noun phrase that follows it. For example, in the sentence, I love my car. The object of the possessive adjective my is car. Object of a possessive adjective is important to recognize because it helps you identify the owner of a noun or pronoun. So that's a detailed overview of the different types of objects in English grammar. Knowing how to identify and use these different types of objects can greatly improve your English writing and speaking skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.